Hi, I'm Amy Leicht, and I'm a real estate broker here with Coldwell Banker Tomlinson Associated Brokers. I'm here to introduce you to this weekend's open houses. Come check out these homes, and who knows, maybe this time next month, you'll be getting keys to your new home. Enjoy! What? It's an anchor. This is my anchor. I have to stand still, so she painted me a rock. Do some cheerleading moves. What? Okay.
One and done, lady. Yes.
Yes, one and done. To this weekend's open house. Video.
Okay.
Okay, so it's not a one and done. And open houses. And now I've lost all train of thought. Okay, I can do this. Megan's over here.